So here's another example for two-digit multiplication, 25 times 534. So if you remember in the previous video, I mentioned that your longer number always goes on top. So out of these two numbers, 25 and 534, 534 is a longer number. So when I write this problem, I want to write my longer number on top, like this. And now we're going to pretend like this 2 doesn't exist. So let me cover it up. On your paper, you could use maybe your finger to cover up the 2. And now we can do 5 times all of these numbers on top, just like it's one-digit multiplication. So I'd like you to pause the video here and give that a shot. And now you can check your answer. So you should have tried this on your own. So I'll start with 5 times 4, which gives me 20. So the 0 goes down at the bottom, and I carry the 2. Next is 5 times 3, which is 15. But remember, I have that 2 on top to add, making 17. So the 7 goes down at the bottom, and I carry the 1. And now I'm doing 5 times 5, which is 25. And then I've got the extra 1 on top, making 26. And there's nowhere to carry it, so it just goes down here at the bottom. Next, I'll cross off the 5 because I'm done with it. Scratch out anything that I carried so it doesn't confuse me later, and add that 0 on the next line. And now we're ready to take a look at that number that we were previously ignoring, which was the 2. So we're going to do 2 times all of these numbers on top. So I'd like you to pause the video here again and give that a shot, and then unpause when you're ready to check your answer. Okay, so we'll start with 2 times 4, which gives us 8, so it goes down here. Then 2 times 3 is 6 and goes here. And then 2 times 5 is 10, and there's nowhere to carry anything, so the 10 goes down here at the bottom. Now we'll add everything up, so I'm going to draw my line and my plus sign, and then I'm going to start adding over here on the right. So pause the video here and give that a shot, and then unpause when you're ready to check your answer. So we'll start here with 0 plus 0, which gives us 0. Next we have 7 plus 8, which is 15. So the 5 goes down at the bottom, and then we carry the 1. Next we have 6 plus 6, which is 12, but then we have that 1 that we carried, making 13. So the 3 down at the bottom and carry the 1. Here, 2 plus nothing is 2, but I have that 1 that I carried, making 3. And over here, 1 plus nothing is going to be 1. And then one thing I want to point out here is in multiplication, order does not matter. So when I rewrote this, I could have rewritten it as 534 times 25 like this, with my longer number at the bottom. Now, I would have gotten the right answer here, but it would have been way more confusing than the way I did it. So make sure you always put your longer number on top. It doesn't matter how it was written at the, when it was given to you. You rewrite it so the longer number is on top. In multiplication, you can and should do that because it'll make it easier for you.